Could we say this is the storm after the calm? Perhaps. Travel is back. Travel is back. Travel is back. And as Jamaica has welcomed a brand new carrier to the Jamaican landscape, we know that more and more passengers will be moving in and out of Miami en route to Montego Bay, Jamaica, because this is indeed the land of all right. So take a listen to Pilot. Oh my goodness, of all the speakers, Pilot got my attention. He said his biggest bit of information about Jamaica was that the food is great. And so, Frontier Airlines out of Miami 3 times a week, arriving in Montego Bay, is here.
I must seize this opportunity to welcome the persons who are on the inaugural flight of Frontier coming into the friendly, beautiful, and wonderful city of Montego Bay.
My name is Tyler Peterson. I was the captain on Frontier Flight 51 today from Miami to Montego Bay. It was a beautiful day to fly, and we are certainly glad to be here. Very smooth air out there today, very smooth landing, and come on and join us. It's a great day to fly.
The arrival of this Frontier flight today is really significant for us as a destination. The fact that Frontier could choose to open a new route into Montego Bay in the middle of a pandemic really is an amazing thing. That's a bold step that they have taken.
As you know, the 2020 last year was a very difficult year for everyone in tourism, in the airlines. Frontier Airlines saw an opportunity to connect families and friends back to the island. It was the right time, the right product, and I think that with what Jamaica has to offer, wide open spaces, gorgeous beaches, beautiful resorts, amazing culture, the customer of today is looking for that.
I want to use this opportunity to also thank my colleagues in the Miami office on the JTB team there, Donnie Dawson and especially Francine Carter-Henry, for their tremendous hard work in developing partnerships that deliver additional air seats into the destination. Between May and August of 2021, we have secured approximately 832,000 air seats into the destination for this week. That is good.
It's your first time coming to Jamaica?
This is my first time coming to Jamaica, yes.
How many years have you been flying?
I've been with Frontier Airlines for 4.5 years.
Okay.
Yeah, total professionally been flying for 13 years.
Was there any particular thing you heard about Montego Bay or Jamaica on a whole?
Oh my goodness!
That you were expecting?
I heard that the food was outstanding, and I'm very sad that I don't get to stay here and enjoy some of it. We have to go back, but I will be back. Believe me, I will be back. Yes.
On your own time?
On my own time. You got that right.
Did you have a full flight? How many persons?
I think we had 150, 160 passengers today.
I want to say to the persons who travel here today that they are going to have a great Jamaican experience. We have what they want, we have what they need. The important thing is that they have the right contact. And I can assure them that with this Jamaican experience, in future they will always be willing to come to Jamaica, this beautiful land of ours.
Why do you think they choose Frontier?
Why do passengers choose Frontier?
Yes.
Low fares, and great service. I would say that those things make the airline what it is today. You know, not everybody can afford the luxuries that other airlines have. We have the ability to choose your seats. We have the ability to choose what you want to bring with you. If you don't need that, you don't have to pay for it. It's a wonderful experience for everyone.
As you know, the Jamaican community is very large, not only in South Florida, but around the country. So this gives an opportunity for families and friends to get together. And as our pilot said, our fares are so low that anybody can afford to come and visit their friends and relatives on both directions.
So the summer period 3 times per week that they'll be flying into the destination. I want to use this opportunity also to thank the Frontier executives, and also that we will continue to work with them for this to be a sustainable service into the destination.